We're excited to announce LightningChart Python latest version 2.1 with features that improve both user and developer experience. LightningChart Python now includes a high-performance data grid that presents metrics, KPIs, and mini trends right inside a grid. Cells support text, numbers, and spark charts, line, area, bar, win-loss, pi, with markers, bands, and thresholds. In addition, DataGrid provides full control over fonts, paddings, borders, and colors. LightningChart Python introduces Container, a flexible alternative to Dashboard that enables scrollable multi-chart layouts with custom dimensions. With Container, you can create dashboards that exceed viewport height, specify exact pixel or CSS-based sizing, like 100 VW, 200 VH, and build tall, scrollable data exploration views. This is particularly useful for applications requiring extensive vertical layouts, such as multi-panel monitoring dashboards or comprehensive data analysis reports where users can scroll through multiple visualizations seamlessly. LightningChart Python now supports built-in heat map aggregation for dense datasets where multiple data points map to a single screen pixel. Enable min-max aggregation to ensure peak values remain visible at all zoom levels, critical for monitoring applications where outliers cannot be missed. 3D Surface Series now support customizable contour lines based on either height or intensity values. Define per-level thresholds with adjustable line thickness and color to highlight critical ranges directly on the surface. LightningChart Python now supports event listeners, enabling fully interactive charts that react to user actions. Attach Python callbacks with Add Event Listener to handle clicks, pointer movement, cursor hits, layout changes, and more. Events are streamed live from the browser to Python, so your application can interact with users in real time. All chart types now support a single translate coordinate method that intelligently converts between coordinate systems, axis, world, relative, client, bars, polar. Replace multiple specific methods with one unified API that handles all transformations. Perfect for interactive features, custom overlays, event handling, and any scenario requiring coordinate conversions between data space and screen pixels. TreeMap Chart now supports programmatic drill-down navigation with the new set drill down node method. Previously, navigating into nested nodes required user interaction through the UI. Now you can control the focus view programmatically, enabling automated presentations, guided tours, and dynamic view updates based on external events. Get started with LightningChart Python 2.1. New features available now.